Hi! In front of me is TCL 205 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS Launcher on this TCL. Firstly, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher and install. So sorry, that was a misclick. And install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, click on Open and wait for the pop-ups. Now you need to select while using the app and allow in all of them. After that, click on Home button. Over here you need to tap on iOS Launcher, choose Always, and tap on Got It. As you can see, iOS Launcher was applied successfully on my smartphone, but you can always just switch between those layouts by going into Settings, choosing Apps and Notifications, and then Advanced. Over here, click on Default Apps and tap on Home App. If you wish to go back into your default Launcher, click on Launcher. If you wish to apply iOS, click on iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!